Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Quavo from the rap group Migos launched his record label. Quavo has made the surprise announcement that he's launching his own label named Oncho Records. The rapper has been busy with the rest of the Migos in creating new music, and while the world is waiting on Culture 3, Quavo took to his page to make the announcement. You can rap, produce or be an athlete. Be all you can be, he wrote on Instagram while unveiling the official logo for the imprint. In addition to that, the rapper, who assists Justin Bieber on his current hit single Intentions, currently at number 8 on Billboard Hot 100, has also revealed the first 3 artists on his roster: 904, Reebok, Street Board, and New York rap group Pop Out Boys. Street Board released latest project Back to the Lab in February. Stay tuned to my channel for more updates on entertainment news.